Hello, welcome back to my channel. Many thanks for stopping by. I'd like to thank all my new subscribers and also my existing ones. Thank you very much for all your support. I've purchased a HP Sprocket. I really wanted one, and it's a mini printer which will print 2 inches by 3 photos. I'm mainly going to use it to document my dog. He's a puppy at the moment. He's 3 months. He's a multi-poo. And also, I've decided to get back into journaling, and I might try my hand at a glue book as well. But really, I came on to show you the Sprocket. I've always wanted one. And I'm not going to do a review or anything like that. It just came with its USB cable, instructions of course, and the manufacturer warranty. It also came with this card showing you how to put the paper in. Yeah, I think I'm going to enjoy my Sprocket very much. I know I will, because it really will give me a chance now to document a lot of things that I wanted to but couldn't before. Well, could, but I'd have to put the photo on the computer off my phone, then go into software and, you know, size everything to appropriate sizing. I mean, I've done it before with stickers for my happy planner, my mini happy planner, and my bigger one, but I haven't actually done it with photographs. But it's very similar, of course. You can either print them on regular paper or photo paper, but I just wanted to eliminate all that process and just get myself a Sprocket. I'm hoping that it'll be good to me. I'll keep you informed as to how I get on with it. Anyway, take care of your good selves. Again, if you did like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell in order to receive notifications when we upload our new videos, because, you know, your support means a lot to me. Thanks very much.